What's up everybody, welcome back to another video here on the Simply Car Things YouTube channel. Today I'm at my buddy Tyler's house. You guys have seen him on numerous videos on this channel, and anybody that's well acquainted with my YouTube page will probably have seen him before on a previous video. As the title of the video would suggest, we are going to be installing a set of ARM Motorsport resonated catless downpipes on this car. I'm very excited because, as you guys also probably know, I have the M Performance titanium exhaust with the secondary cats already deleted. So as it is, this setup is really loud. It sounds freaking insane. I love the way it sounds. I think things are about to get kicked up to 11 with these catless downpipes. So let's go ahead and unbox these. Huge shout out to ARM Motorsports as well. Links to all their products will be in the description box of this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these downpipes and let me show you what this product is all about. So I actually already opened the box, kind of dug through everything. Spoiler alert as well, for a future video you guys will see. Also picked up a set of charge pipes for this car. So I will be installing those for a future video on the M4, but the real goodies are in this box right over here. As you can see, everything is nicely and very neatly and orderly packaged. But we'll go ahead and open it. Got some ARM stickers as well, if you guys want to rep their brand. And in this bubble wrap right here, we've got our resonated catless downpipes. So this is, I don't know which downpipe specifically this one is, but it is the shorter one. As you guys can see as well right here, this little like bulge in the downpipe is where the resonator is. And if you look inside, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there are tons of perforated holes inside of the downpipe. And what that does is it acts as a resonator, obviously, so it helps to eliminate rasp and it helps to sort of clean up the sound of the S55. This right here is just a flex pipe. Doesn't really do a whole lot aside from just offer a little bit of adjustability upon installation. Go ahead and set that down. And in the bubble wrap as well, we have the larger downpipe. And same thing, you can see the resonators right here, got the flex pipe. This is new, actually. Looks like they add a little ARM plaque, which is kind of cool. It's a nice little touch. And then you can see in here we have these little threaded holes for the O2 sensors, and that's where the O2s are going to go. Now, real quickly, I just wanted to cover one other thing. I'm sure you guys are going to have some FAQ type questions in the comments down below, and I'm going to try to answer all those for you in this video. So first thing is, will you pass smog in the state of California running catless downpipes on your car? Answer to that is no, you will not. Will you be getting a check engine light? Yes, you will. How soon will the check engine light come up upon installation? It depends on how much you're driving right after you install, but usually it's like within a few hours to like a day or two. And you'll see that CEL pop up on the dash. Can you eliminate the check engine light? Yes, you can. The way that I'm going to be doing that is through boot mode, which is a very popular and well-known reputable tuning platform for these cars. That's how I'm personally going to be coding out the CEL, and that should eliminate the problem. Is the setup going to drone? I have no idea. It probably will a little bit, although this setup is valved as well, so we can close the valves. But I have a feeling it's going to be loud as shit. So let's go ahead and just kind of cover some of the install. I'm not going to cover all. Damn you. Sorry guys, there was a plane overhead, but is there going to be any drone with this setup? I'm not entirely sure. We will find out. This setup is actually valved, so there is a valve in the muffler that you can close and open upon your own discretion. And I have a feeling it's going to be really freaking loud. So we're going to go ahead and cover some of the installation. I also have another video from my previous M4 installing catless downpipes. The install on that will probably be a little bit more in-depth than on this. For this video, I'm really just going to try to cover how it sounds because I think it's going to sound freaking insane. So I can't wait. Let's go ahead and just dive right into this. Alright guys, so the catless downpipe install just wrapped up and I just started this thing up. Right now the valves are closed. Damn, even with the valves closed, this thing is loud as hell. The cold start, I didn't get a chance to record like the full amount of it, so the car is starting to settle down now. but we're gonna take it out for a spin, try it out with the valves open and see how loud this thing is. I'm a little bit worried it's gonna be raspy as fuck, but I guess we'll see. What do you think?
I think it's gonna be really raspy.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're giving me the benefit of the doubt, clearly, huh?
Clearly.
And then we also got Tyler. He's gonna be following us in the E39 chase car. That way we can hear, you know, how this thing sounds from the outside as well. So we'll get back to you guys in just a minute. As you guys could tell, there was a cold start, so I'm just gonna allow the car to warm up for a little bit prior to really getting on it. And in fact, it is starting to warm up just a little bit. I don't know if that came out on the camera, but these downshifts are fucking ridiculous. Like, it is so freaking loud, and I have not gotten on it yet or anything, but oh man. That's from third to second. That's from second to first. Holy shit. Oh man, I'm tweaking out. We'll see how this goes. That's really, really loud. Oh shit! Oh, God. That's ridiculous. You know, it's funny too, because with these cars, like, even on the inside, there's so much sound deadening, and there's just something about, like, it does not sound the same as from the outside. So I'm really curious as to what the exterior is like. But my God, on the inside, it's fucking crazy. Those downshifts too are just absurd. Wow. Listen to this too, from second to first. Okay, well that one actually wasn't as loud for some reason. That is insane, man. I feel like the tone itself didn't change a whole lot. I mean, compared to what I had it previously at with just the secondary cat delete plus the MPE exhaust, this is not a huge difference in tone, but it is noticeably louder, like a lot louder. That is wild. That is freaking insane. And when you build boost and you let off the throttle, that flaring like wastegate sound that these cars make, just insane. Kicked up to 11, 100%. Oh my God. Fuck. Damn, that's fucking sweet. Alright guys, so I just wanted to give you some updated impressions. There are going to be some more sound clips coming, as you guys will see in the next few clips, but damn, is this thing freaking insane. So I just actually had the chance to let Tyler drive the car, and I actually drove his car, heard it from the outside, and wow, like as soon as the engine like properly warms up and then you start getting on it, it is such a clean sound, and I don't know how well it's going to come out on camera, but I promise you guys, in person, it sounds so freaking good. It's really, really loud too. Like, he was up maybe, I'd say like 1/8 of a mile away from the car that I was in, and he floored it, and like the sound just like echoes off the streets. Like, it just sounds like the car is almost like right next to you or something. I don't know how else to describe it, but overall, so far, I'm very, very pleased with how it sounds, and I hope that the camera is going to be conveying that sound, you know, to what you guys are going to be hearing on your TV or on your phone, whatever the case is. Alright, that's the right time, so maybe make this a little quick. right, Matt, so we were just talking about what you think about this exhaust now that you heard those flybys. Can you just repeat what you said on camera, please? This is not forced, by the way, guys. This is his dead-ass honest opinion. And this guy hated how the M4 sounded for the longest time.
Just like everybody else. I mean, okay, so Omar showed me one video about the M4 GTS, and that reminds me, like, those polls remind me pretty close to exactly what we heard. Mind you, it was over the phone, so take it for what that is, but I mean, it sounds like something that I could hear at a racetrack, like on some sort of a race day, not some like recreational sort of a thing. But that's so much more impressive than I thought. I'm so wrong. I'm sorry I flipped off the camera before, because that's such a good note. It's so good.
Dude.
And there's like almost no rasp. I can't pick out any single part that has a ton of rasp.
That is what I love to hear, ladies and gentlemen. I am so freaking stoked. Thank you, ARM Motorsports, for not only making such a freaking stellar product with your resonated downpipes, but holy crap, for just allowing my car to sound this freaking insane. I am about to hear it. I'm gonna let one of these guys whip this car around, and I'm gonna hear it from the outside, and I am so freaking excited. The fact that they're saying it is race car-like in terms of its volume and tone is just the greatest compliment that I could ever receive being a car enthusiast with this M4. And Tyler seems to really like it too, and Tyler is definitely very picky when it comes to exhaust notes as well. Very particular, so the fact that both of these guys gave their mark of approval, man, that just makes me even happier about, you know, this setup.